Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change background color on Google Docs. So here I have my document right here. All I need to do is click on File, you're the top left. Okay, and you'll see this page setup option. Come here and click on Page Color. You'll see all the different colors they have available. You can select any of the colors. If you want custom colors, you can come here and add a new one. So I can click on Add Custom Color. Right, you can mess around with the hex keys or choose with the sliders. So let's select this one. This one looks nice. Perfect. So I'll use that as the color. So make sure you scroll down, click on Save. That's the page color. We'll just have to click on OK. And if you want to, at any point, remove a custom color, just right click on Remove. Now I'll just go ahead and click on OK to show you. And this is what my document looks like now. Look at that. And it's really that easy and simple.